Hello and welcome to the Fixit Shed. In this episode, I'm not actually going to fix something, but I do have 3 things that I want to talk about. First of all, I want to thank all of my subscribers. Today, the Fixit Shed reached a milestone. It is January 17th, 2022, and we hit 1,000 subscribers today. And that's really special that there's 1,000 people out there that enjoy my videos enough to subscribe. So number 2, as you can see, I'm wearing this Team C's hoodie. So back in the beginning of November, Mark Rober and Mr. Beast started a Team C's drive to remove 30 million pounds of garbage from the seas, and they wanted to raise money, so for every $1 that was donated, they would remove a pound of garbage from the ocean. So they wanted to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of trash from the ocean. And their drive was to last until the end of the year. So on November 2nd, I purchased this sweatshirt and I made a donation, and I wanted to use the sweatshirt in a video so that I could help promote their drive. Unfortunately, the sweatshirt showed up on December 31st, so I never really got to make a video, but they did reach their goal on January 1st of $30 million. They are still collecting, so if you would like to go and donate the website, you can go to the Team C's website and still make a donation. And the third thing that I wanted to talk about was simply small engine repair. So it's now known as simply Andrew's Repairs, but he's been very supportive of my channel, and he did send me these stickers, and I'm going to start putting stickers up on this cabinet. But if you enjoy the small engine repair segments on my channel, you're going to want to check out his channel as well. In particular, if you have an inverter that's malfunctioning, he probably has a video that can help you out. So I'm going to take these stickers and I'm going to start decorating this cabinet with them. Alright, so those are up, so please be sure to check out Simply Andrew's Repairs. I've really appreciated his support, so thanks a lot, Andrew. And once again, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers for helping me hit that 1,000 milestone. So thanks for watching, take care.